A little girl vanished in an Alaskan blizzard. But the thing that saved her shouldn't exist. Search teams were screaming her name, but the storm swallowed every sound. Then wildlife cameras captured something impossible. The girl. Walking calmly through deep snow. Her hand resting on a bear cub. Not running. Not crying. Moving together like they had a plan. That night, another camera recorded this. The cub pressed against her. And the mother bear curled her massive body around them. Blocking the wind. Sharing her heat. Keeping the child alive until dawn. Rescuers found the girl alive. The bear stood. Watched. Then stepped away. Experts still can't explain this. Was it instinct? Or something more? Follow for real stories that sound fake, but aren't.